How to hide your location from Instagram map. Open the Instagram app and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. This is where all your posts live and where the magic happens. Tap the three line at top right corner. Scroll down and select story and location. Tap on location sharing. You will see option like who can see your location. Tap no one. Now the app won't tag your location automatically or shown in map. If you want to sort it down completely, go to your phone settings and scroll down and tap app and find Instagram. Scroll down and tap permission. Inside the permission, tap location and set it to deny or enable. Instagram can't share what it can't access, and that's it. Your post stay location free and you stay off the Instagram map. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video. And thank you for watching.